Chapter 7. Conservation of Plants and Animals. Deforestation. Our grandparents sometimes talk about the time when they lived in an area surrounded by lush green trees, in which they wake up in the morning with the sound of birds. In the past, India was covered with large area of forests. As population increased over the years, more and more trees have been cut down in the name of development. The act of massive cutting down of trees and clearing of forests for human benefit is called deforestation. Causes of deforestation. Deforestation can be done for cultivating crops, building cities, grazing cattle, logging of trees for commercial activities. Flora and fauna. You can observe that some animals and plants are typically belongs to the particular areas. The plants and animals of a particular area are called flora and fauna of that area. The sal, teak and silver ferns are the flora, and the chinkara, blue bull and cheetal are the fauna of the Pachmari Biosphere Reserve. Endemic species. You already know that the organisms that resemble one another and are able to breed among themselves are called species. Apples of which state are famous in India? Certainly, you will say Kashmir. Why? Because the climatic conditions of the Kashmir are well suited for the growth of apple trees. Can you imagine that apples can grow naturally in southern states of India? No, because the climatic condition of south is completely opposite to that of Kashmir. Species that are restricted to a particular area and are not found naturally anywhere else are called endemic species. These species can be endemic to a zone, state or country. For example, pygmy hog is endemic to Assam, while the pitcher plant is endemic to Meghalaya. Extinct species. You must have heard about dinosaurs. They existed on the earth about 100 of million years ago, but they became extinct. The species which no longer exist anywhere on the earth are called extinct species. Endangered species. The destruction of the habitat, increasing human population, and introduction of a new species may affect the natural habitat of the endemic species and endanger their existence. The species which are facing the risk of extinction are called endangered species. The Sikkim stags, dolphins, tigers and pink-hued ducks are the examples of species which have become extinct in recent times.